I got my mom uniform on. I'm excited to watch American Idol, and we are making roasted chicken and asparagus. And the star of our performance tonight will be the new non-stick stainless skillet. That is like a grid of non-stick and stainless so that you get all the wonderful benefits of having a stainless pan, and then it's also non-stick, so it's really easy to clean. And hosts can get this, of course, for free or half price anytime you host a show, but in the month of May you can get any piece of cookware or set of cookware for 60% off, so remember that. First, I preheated the oven to 425. I am gonna let this pan heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. I have my 4 chicken thighs back here, which I cut open, and then the Dijon mustard rub from the Pampered Chef is fantastic. As soon as we get the chicken in there, I'm gonna set my timer for 4 minutes exactly. And what we want is the protein from the chicken to cook that yummy golden brown stuff that you get on the bottom of your pan. You don't get that with a non-stick pan usually. You need to have something that it sticks to a little bit, which makes it a pain in the butt to clean. Not in this case. You get the best of both worlds, and we're gonna use that yummy golden deliciousness that's left behind to make our pan sauce. Our 4 minutes are up, so I'm gonna turn it over and let it sear for 1 more minute on the other side. Now that our minute is up, I'm gonna take the chicken out of the pan and put 1 pound of cremini mushrooms that I sliced with our simple slicer, and 1 small onion. That's gonna go in the pan along with 2 cloves of garlic. And then to this we're gonna add our 1 pound of trimmed asparagus, and then about a pint of cherry tomatoes that we cut in half. It's starting to smell really, really good with the mushrooms and onions and garlic. And then to that, you can add a 1/3 cup of white wine. I'm just gonna use chicken broth tonight because that's what I have. And that's gonna help to release all that yummy golden bits from the bottom of the pan. And then the juice from half of a lemon. This lemon's really big, so I gotta jam it in there. Woo, yummy. And that just kind of helps to brighten up the flavor. Now our chicken wasn't fully cooked when we take it out of the pan. That's how we want it, because it's gonna go in the oven and finish off in there. We're letting this simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes, and I'm adding the other tablespoon of our rub. All right, and in goes our asparagus and tomatoes. We're just gonna stir this up a little bit to combine it. We'll lay the chicken on top, and then this is going into the oven at 425 for 12 to 15 minutes. Hi.